Genius trick to prepare meat that everyone should know. Start by cutting a piece of beef weighing 1.5 kilos. Cut it into thick steaks. Then cut it in half and into cubes. After doing that, transfer all this meat to a bowl or to a plastic bottle with the top cut off, just like mine. Add 1 liter of sparkling water and let it soak for 20 minutes. After this time has passed, drain all the water and set the meat aside. Now, in a large saucepan over medium to low heat, add 100 grams of unsalted butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add a drizzle of vegetable oil and stir to combine. Then add all the meat and saute until golden brown. When that happens, remove the meat and set aside. In that same pan, add 1 onion cut into slices, 3 cloves of garlic cut into smaller pieces, and saute until the onion wilts. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, add 50 grams of fresh mushrooms, 100 grams of bacon cut into smaller pieces, and saute for another 3 minutes. After that, to season, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 40 milliliters of soy sauce. Also add 200 milliliters of water, the meat we prepared. Stir everything to combine. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Cover the pan and let everything cook for 25 minutes. After this time has passed, dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 50 milliliters of water. Add it to the beef stew and mix everything very well until it thickens. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right consistency. Finish by adding green onions to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.